So far, we have learned about BatchMan objects, jobs and nets, as well as orders to execute objects with a daily shift plan. To execute objects on specific days, you need to define them inside the objects. Today, let's take a look at the daily operation with BatchMan. We will use a new job and switch to the Scheduling Dates tab to see how objects are inserted into standard orders. First, you can see the STD Plan Select box. Select your day plan here to give the job a shift plan. Now, you can select the validity, specifying when the job should be taken into planning at all. As you can see in the radio button section, initially, there is no scheduling. Now, you have different options on how to plan your job. You can use monthly rules, daily rules, periodic planning, or special calendars to combine everything. There is also a table for fixed set dates. We will choose to use a daily schedule without Saturday and Sunday. You will also have the option to use restrictions that react to your SAP calendar, given periods, or timetables. We will exclude February in our planning. You can now switch to the scheduling calendar to get a forecast. As you can see, every Monday to Friday is selected, but February is not included. To actually activate the job, we need to switch to the General tab and use the checkbox for Automatic Schedule for STD orders. This lets BatchMan know that you are not in the planning anymore, but you really want to execute the object. All of this can also be applied to nets, and for beginners, we would recommend scheduling whole processes as nets. The shift plan in the order will now take care of checking every day if your object will be used or not, and it will include it in the standard order. All objects are usually planned in parallel. To define the dependencies, there is a special tab in the object, which will be covered in another tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.